Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat. Today is Thursday, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and help you learn how to finally love yourself. So as I said, today is Thursday. We have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines. The second layer is our basic weekly plan. Today that plan is Errand Day. And the third layer is our zone. Today that zone is the kitchen. So let's get started. If you are a payroll fly baby, get up before your family, do your morning routine. After that routine, put the children through their morning routine, then delegate whatever duties you want to delegate. Go look at your list, make sure you have your grocery list and take it with you. If you didn't pay your bills yesterday, you forgot, go ahead and take those with you today and take care of your action items. Next thing we're going to do is go to work. Enjoy your day, do a great job, be the best you can be. The time is going to pass whether you enjoy it or not, so you might as well enjoy it. Use your control journal for work. It'll make a huge difference. And on your lunch hour, go ahead and do those other errands. You won't be grocery shopping, but you can do whatever other errands you might have lined up. Maybe you need to buy a birthday present, or maybe you need to go get stamps, or maybe you need to drop some books off at the library, whatever. All right, and then after that, you're going to come home. You're going to do another clutter check, just like you did in the morning, another clutter check. Before you got home, I hope you gave a call to the child that you have delegated one of those 5 weekly home blessing hour duties to and reminded them that you're on your way. And then when you get home, inspect what you expect on that routine. Remember, consequences are for people who don't choose to do what you've asked them to do. So make sure you follow through as a strong, firm, but kind CEO. Then you're going to start your supper. While supper is holding, you're going to, well, actually first you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper if you still have it, then start your supper. While supper is holding, you can go ahead and work right there in the kitchen on zone 2, the kitchen, 10 minutes of a deep cleaning item. Remember, it's not perfection, even if it's deep cleaning. There's no perfection. You're just going to do a good job. 10 minutes or less. Don't wear yourself out. And then enjoy your supper with your family. Afterwards, we're going to have our after dinner routine and then before bed routines. Let me catch up with you. Okay, I'll get right back. We're going to go back to our fly babies who are at home. So at home fly babies, the same thing goes for you. You're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine first before the children. Put the children through their morning routine. Then you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper if you still have it, and then go right to the basic weekly plan of Errand Day. So you're going to go, well actually no, you're not going to go on Errand Day. You're not, because you're going to stay home and finish zone 2. That's right. So do zone 2 before, because you're going to do all your household duties before you leave the house in the morning. So go straight in and do zone 2, the kitchen. Again, 10 minutes if it's deep cleaning, 15 minutes if you're decluttering. All right, and then complete the process of throw away, put away, give away if you're decluttering. Now we can go run our errands. Get everyone in the car, go run your errands, go buy your groceries. When you get home, prepare the groceries to be put away. Hope you're having a light dinner tonight. And then have your dinner. After dinner, oh, I forgot to tell you, did you do a clutter check in the middle of the day? Now's the time to do it if you haven't. And then after dinner, you're going to do another clutter check right before bed. The kids are going to do their before bed routine, and you're going to do your before bed routine. So here we are, everyone. One more clutter check, payroll and at home. One more clutter check, and then we're going to say, okay, 5 more minutes before bed, and then we're going to say bedtime, and now it's time for the children to pick up their mess. This is part of a job for them. This is not mindless clutter. This is things they've played with on purpose and are putting away on purpose. So you have to make sure that they do that. So as a parent of younger children, you'll need to stand there and police that. Not in a mean way. You're the happy cop, right? You've seen those guys at the intersection who are like, you go, you come on. They're doing a little dance. You've seen them on TV. That's you. You're the happy cop, not the mean cop with the frown. No, no. All right, so We're going to do our before bed routine, which includes picking up all their stuff and putting it away, go getting their pajamas, go putting their plates and things into the sink or in the dishwasher, whichever is appropriate. If they're big kids, they can go ahead and hand wash those if you do not have a dishwasher. They can do it. It's not that hard. They ate a bowl of ice cream. That's the consequence. They have to wash their bowl. Next, go take their bath, wash their hair if they need to, make sure their teeth are brushed. The hand towel's been hung up. They've wiped out the sink so there's no toothpaste in it. They've hung up their towel. If they're little kids and they played with toys, those toys are put away in something so that they can drain, something convenient for the children to put them into. And their pajamas are on. Their dirty clothes get put in the laundry before the bath because you don't want them stepping on them wet or splashing water out of the tub on them, because then you have wet laundry, which is a bad thing. All right, next we're going to make sure the bathroom looks like it did before they came in there. The living room looks like it did before they came in there. Now they're going to go get in their bed with their book and read a chapter or chapters, or a book or books, or you're going to do it. And that is that. Once it's over, they're going to sleep, and you're going to leave the room even before they go to sleep. They're on their own for that. And you're going to do your before bed routine, which is checking your planner, going into the kitchen, making sure everything is ready in there for tomorrow, wipe out that sink and put a new towel out, run the dishwasher, close the blinds, make sure the dog has water and has been out for the evening, or whatever, the cat, whatever. Cat doesn't get put out if he's declawed, but never mind, I digress. Whatever you need to take care of. And then lights off, you go in the bathroom and take your shower or bath, wash your hair if you need to, make sure your face is nice and clean, you moisturize it, put on your clean PJs, hang up your clothes for tomorrow, and put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, or hang up any clothes that are still clean. That's it for you. You're going to snuggle into bed, you're going to read your book or watch your videos or whatever you do until it's the designated hour for you to close your eyes and go to sleep and get your required sleep. So turn over, snuggle in, and enjoy that good night's sleep, and we'll see you in the morning. Always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.